So another analogy I like to use in terms of how your brain talks to your body. So if your brain talks to your body really well, it can run and control everything in like a normal manner. You'll be healthy, you'll have energy, everything will function and work properly. But if we start to get blockages on the system from bad posture, bumps, falls, too much stress in our lives, causing everything to get jammed up, we're not getting the proper signals coming through. And one example we'd like to use is somebody who's working in computers, for example, is you've got the software and you've got the hardware. So you've got like the software would be the programs running the computer working properly. If we started to get some misinformation coming through the program, the computer just won't work properly. The other example I'd give, you could imagine a school or a big business operation. In a school, for example, you've got the principal, you've got like a vice principal, then you've got heads of departments, and then you've got the teachers going down that, going down from the top. If, say, through like the problems we've got now with COVID, the principal and vice principal were both off or self-isolating for 14 days, that would basically start to affect the way the school works, because maybe now the heads, the group department heads would have to try and get together and coordinate, but things would start to slip through the cracks, and then the children at the school would start to suffer. So it's important to have everything working properly, the same as the brain running the body properly from the top down. If we start to have miscommunication happening, say the principal and the vice are now off for 2 months, we can end up with a school that just becomes a bit of a mess. And that's basically an analogy to explain if the brain isn't passing information properly throughout the body, you get a blockage, you might end up with a right leg that just doesn't work properly, starts to become tired and heavy and cramping, because the brain can't get the messages up and down from that part, because basically maybe the right low back's blocked or the pelvis is blocked on that side, and it's gone on for a long time. Okay, so just a couple of analogies trying to explain about communication. Thank you.